Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix you need to format the disk before you can use it. Let's fix it guys. If you have important files on the disk, you don't want to format it. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command. Just replace this height to either USB drive letter. In my case, the height need to be changed. This drive letter D and copy the command and paste it in command prompt. Right click on the tab and select edit and select paste it. After pasting this command, just to close stuff here, and now you can able to access your drive guys. In my case, I have less files in it. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.